We already know some of the components of algebra because we've practiced turning simple written descriptions into algebra. In this video, we learned that the word pronumeral is the algebra word for the letter. We need to look carefully about when to use pronumerals. We only use a pronumeral if a value is not known. I'm showing you examples of where the value would be unknown. Here is a packet of Skittles, but we don't know the number of lollies. That's when we could use a pronumeral. X would represent the number of lollies in the bag. And in the second example, here is a number of cookies, but the exact number of Oreo cookies is not known. That's why we'd use a pronumeral. So in this way, algebra is used to tell a story, but it's way more efficient than drawing pictures or writing down the sentence. Here are 3 more examples, noticing where the pronumeral represents one unknown. The pronumeral represents one unknown. The pronumeral represents one unknown. The rest of the algebra is just a combination of symbols and numbers. Let's do some worked examples together. It says, for each situation, give a pronumeral to the unknown values. And then the second thing we need to do is write the complete expression. That means turn the full description into algebra using the numbers and symbols too. Part A, a number of lollies and 3 lollies. Let's circle the thing that's unknown. It's this value. So we need to give it a pronumeral. Let X equal a number of lollies. That's step 1. And now we need to write an algebraic expression. There are 3 extra lollies as well. So altogether, the expression would be the unknown number and the 3 which we know. Part B. Double a number of lollies and 1 lolly. Let's circle the value that's unknown. A number of lollies. This time I'll use a different pronumeral just because. Let n equal a number of lollies. And now write an algebraic expression. So we have the words double, which means twice or 2 of, and 1 lolly. So we have double a number of lollies and 1 lolly. Part C. Read the description and circle the value that's unknown. Triple a number of cookies and 3 cookies. A number of cookies. Give it a pronumeral. Let A equal a number of cookies. And the other clues, we have triple a number of cookies. So triple a number of cookies. And we know there are 3 extra cookies, plus 3. Part D, half a number of cookies. Circle the value that's unknown. A number of cookies. I'm just going to use the same pronumeral from above, but you should always give the unknown a pronumeral. Let A equal a number of cookies. And go back and find the other clues. Half of. Remember, we don't use the division symbol. We don't tend to write that in algebra. Instead, we show it as a fraction. So half a number of cookies is written as A on 2.